Welcome back everyone to today's class. Today we're going to talk a little bit about something called XOR. So XOR is an operation. You can do plus and you can do minus and then you can do XOR. But XOR uses two streams of bits and it produces different output bits depending on the input. So if we have two zeros, then the result is 0. If we have a 0 and a 1, then the result is 1, no matter which is which. But if both are 1, then it is 0. So why is this useful? Well, this means that if we use this technique in order to encrypt something, then we can decrypt it if we supply the ciphertext with the same key as when it was encrypted. This is a very basic form of encryption that is only for demonstrational purposes. It's quite easy to crack with today's technologies and computer power. However, it's a good example on how to use XOR. And in this example, I will only make it so that you encrypt one single character. And when you know how to encrypt one single character, there shouldn't be a problem for you to modify the code so it can be able to encrypt any length, but only one character in this example. Alright, so let's begin by creating an xor.c file. And we will also have a couple of definitions. We'll define the key, which also will be one character, and we will define what we want to encrypt. So let's define the key as the character X. Let's do big X. And then we will define the clear text as the letter A. So we want to encrypt the letter A using the key X. And we don't need a whole lot of includes. I will just put the standard input-output age library. And in order for us to be able to see what is happening, I will create my own function called print_char, which will print the character and the hexadecimal value, and it will also print a text string describing what we are printing. And this will just be a single printf line, something like this. So we will take the character and show its ASCII character code. And we could do hexadecimal, but I think, yeah, let's do hexadecimal. And it will take 3 arguments, the text describing what we are doing, and then the character twice. So we'll print the actual character and its hexadecimal representation. And I will put a 0x in front of it to show that it's hexadecimal. And that's all. Okay, then we go to our main function where we will do the magic, so to speak. We will create a couple of shards, one for the clear text, one for the key, one for the cipher text, hard to write that word, and one for the new clear text, because we will decrypt it into a new variable. Okay, first we define the clear text as our clear text definition, this one. And we will use our print char to print the clear text before we do anything with it. Then we will define the key as our constant key and do the same. We will print that on the screen. And then we will do the actual encryption. So the cipher text should be equal to clear text XOR key. So this little caret character here, is not what you might think it is. Sometimes we use this caret character to do when we do like x to the power of 5 or something like that. But in C, the caret character is equal to the XOR operation. Okay, so now we have created a ciphertext variable containing the encrypted text using the key. Now we want to print the result, ciphertext and ciphertext. And finally, we'll try to decrypt the text into another variable. And this time we'll take the ciphertext and XOR the key. So as you can see, the exact way that it goes forward when we take the clear text, XOR the key, producing the ciphertext, we now take the ciphertext, XOR the key, to produce the clear text. And then we will use our print char function to print our new clear text. And that should just about be it. So let's compile this one. Oh, I did something wrong. main. That's not right. There we go. Okay, now what? Line 47. I added a parenthesis too much. So let's jump to 47. Okay, it's outside of the text, but I did see it on the message. Where is it? Right here. That shouldn't be there. Alright, now it works. So let's run it. Okay, so from the beginning we have the letter A as a clear text, and that is 41 in hex. And we have the key X, which is 58. When we combine them together with an XOR operation, we get a ciphertext with a hex representation of 19 and no ASCII representation. And then we XOR the text backwards using the ciphertext and the key. And then we get a new clear text with the letter A 41. So our code works just fine. Should be cat, not car. Okay, so we do two definitions. We create a simple function in order to print out the results. We set the clear text and print it. We set the key, we print the key. Then we do the encryption algorithm, so to speak, using clear text XOR the key and printing that out. Then we do it backwards. We do the ciphertext, XOR the key, and get the new clear text and print that out. So today you have learned all there is to the XOR operation in C. Thanks for watching, and thanks for today.